This video is being filmed on an iPhone that I strapped to a robot arm, and so I can film my whole room from my computer here by just moving these sliders. And yeah, it's pretty cool, I think. I built this arm from scratch by designing and 3D printing all the parts for it. Each joint has its own little motor, and all the motors are connected to this ESP32 dev board that I programmed. And to control the arm, I made this public website that can either be accessed by scanning this QR code or typing this link into Google. The way the website works is very simple. Basically, each slider controls one of the joints on my arm. And actually, my arm can be controlled with this website from anywhere in the world, as long as the arm is powered on. By the way, this attachment that I designed is what I used to strap my phone onto my arm to film the beginning of this video. It goes right here, like that, and that's how it works. Now I'm gonna show the arm in action again by picking up this cube with it. Okay, here we go. That was pretty cool, but now I want to add a button to my website that can make my arm automatically stack these 3 cubes like that without me having to touch any of the sliders.
1 hour later.
I just spent the last hour adding this feature to my website. So when you press this button, it triggers a pre-programmed sequence of moves that stacks these cubes. And here's the code for it. So when you press this button, it triggers all of these moves. Now I'm gonna press the button to show it working. 3, 2, 1, go. Nice, it worked. So my robot arm can film YouTube videos, it can stack cubes automatically, it can be controlled from anywhere in the world, and with this new feature that I added, it can trick a CAPTCHA into thinking that it's a human. Look at that. If I'm being completely honest, my robot arm could be a lot better since it currently has a lot of flaws. Firstly, you have to manually move sliders on a website to control it, which is a more annoying way to control it compared to using a custom remote. Secondly, it has a pretty bad grabbing mechanism that I know I could improve. Thirdly, my arm could have been a lot stronger if I had used stronger servo motors for the joints. So because of all these flaws, I'm going to make a robot arm version 2.0 that will fix all the problems of the version 1.0 of my arm. And by the way, when I started this project, I actually made a prototype that I controlled with my TV remote. So here's a clip of that.